Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another 3 looks using one palette, and today I'm using the Pixi Natural Beauty palette, which is this, and this is one of their new releases. As you can see, it does have some matte and some shimmer shades, so it's basically an all-in-one palette. And I just thought I would show you 3 different looks to do with this one. I absolutely love Pixi products anyway, as I'm sure you know if you have watched any of my other videos. And especially their eyeshadows, which are such good quality. They're so pigmented, and yeah, they're just really good. For some of the looks as well, I'm also going to be using some of the Pixi brushes, and I have 3 in here. And this came in such a cute little package, as obviously this is from PR. So I just thought I would use those as well, as I haven't actually tried them yet. They're still in the packaging and everything, but I know they feel extremely soft, and you get 2 blending brushes and more of a flat brush, so it's basically everything you need all in one. And obviously you could add more brushes into this case as well. So let's get on with doing the first look. Now for the first look, I'm keeping it super simple. I'm basically just using one colour out of this palette, and that is this one, which is Antique Rose, and it's sort of like this goldy rose kind of colour. It's really hard to explain, you sort of have to see it for yourself. But this, I'm basically just going to put all over my eyelid, and that's it. And I'm using this sort of flat fluffy brush. On the same brush, I'm also going to take a little bit of this, which is Petal. It's like a very champagne-y shimmer shade. And this I'm just going to put in the very corner of my eye, just to brighten it up slightly. I'm also going to put this on my brow bone. Now I'm just going to use the smallest bit of mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express. I use this all the time. And that is my first look with this palette. As you can see, it's super simple, and it's just perfect for every day. Obviously I just used a little bit of lip balm, and that was it. I would happily go out like this. Just gives like a gorgeous little shimmer to your eyelid, which I think is very cute. Now for this next look, I'm taking this one in the very centre, which is Rose Clay, and it's like a dusky rose. It's like a dusky rose brown kind of colour, and it does have the slightest bit of shimmer in it. But I'm actually going to use this as a crease colour, and I'm going to use the same brush as before. I'm going to take the Pixi EO2 brush, which is a really fluffy one, just to sort of blend that out a lot more into my skin. Now I'm going to take this, which is the darkest one, and this is Deep Taupe, and you can see it is one of the darkest shades in the palette, just on the same brush again. And this is going on the outer corner of my eye. Outer corner is sort of just below the crease a bit. Once again, taking the Pixi brush just to blend it all together. Now for the centre, I'm taking this one here, which is Foiled Bronze, and I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this, as it is more of a foil. And put it in the centre, and sort of towards the inner corner of it. Just look how gorgeous that is. take a small amount of that dark brown again and just blend it into the edge there. Just so the colours blend together. Nothing major. On the small flat brush from Pixi, which is the ear one, I'm going to take that first brown colour that we used and put this under my eye. Now while I think this look may look really good with eyeliner, I can't be bothered. I'm really not that good at it, so I'm just going to go in with the same mascara again. I've just done the mascara and added a new lip, and this is my second look. As I said, I think that foil colour is so gorgeous and it just looks amazing on the eye, and it really catches the light as well. Now on to the last look. We're going to go super dark, and first I'm going to take the dark brown again, which is this one, and that is Deep Taupe. I'm going to take it on a really fluffy brush and basically just put this all over my eye to start with, but mainly into the crease. And I'm going to extend it out from my eye quite a bit as well. I'm going to tidy it up later so that doesn't matter too much about how it looks. Now I'm going to go with this even darker brown, and that is chocolate brown, and that is the actual darkest colour in this palette. I'm sorry if the light keeps changing, the sun keeps coming in and out. I'm just going to do the same thing with this, with the exact same brush, but blend it just slightly lower than the crease. I want to kind of bring this in from the inner corner as well. So that is those two colours. As you see, it does look quite messy in a minute, but we are going to clean it up after. So there's not really a rush for that at the minute. Now I'm going to take this bottom brown, and that is Bronze Gleam. And once again, I'm going to use my finger for that. And this is going in the centre. I'm just going to take a smaller brush with that dark brown again and just sort of darken it up, especially the inner corner. And just sort of blend it into that metallic shade I just put on. I'm also going to take a little bit of this one in the middle, which is Cocoa Shimmer. Just sort of mix that with that dark brown and put that on the outer corner and blend it into that bit that we've pulled out as well. Then once again, taking the big Pixi brush and just sort of blending all the edges so they're not as harsh. And onto the bottom, I'm going to take the dark brown again, just on the smaller Pixi brush, and run that along at the bottom. I am dragging this quite far down because obviously it's quite a dark look, so you sort of need it. And I'm going right to the very inner corner as well, and you might sort of just blend into that V shape that we've created. And I'm going to take Petal again, which is this one here, and use this once again on my brow bone, just with smaller Pixi brush, which is the EO3. Really brighten up that area because obviously it's quite a dark look. And I'm going to take a little bit of this one in the middle, which is Metal Morph. I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. And this is going just in the very centre of my eye. No, very corner of my eye even. This is quite a glittery one, it's quite chunky glitters in it. Now I'm going to do a winged eyeliner, and I'm using the Flawless eyeliner, which is this one, and in black obviously. And I'm going to do this off camera because it goes wrong every time. And I'm also going to do a lip colour as well. So this is my third and final look using the Pixi Natural Beauty palette. As you can see, it's a lot darker, and I've sort of extended it out a bit, got a bit of a wing going on. So yeah, I just really like this one. And I love doing darker looks with purple hair as well. I think it really goes well together. Of course, if you did this look, you could add lashes. I just couldn't bother doing them because I'm lazy. So this is what you're getting. So I hope you liked this video and all the looks that I did. Please let me know which one you like best. I think for me it's this one, but I also like the gold foil in the second look. And obviously the first one was just easy to do, so I don't know, I guess I like them all. It's not very helpful, but... And also, if you have any ideas of what palette you would like me to do next, or basically any video ideas, I'm open to your ideas. I want to know what you want to see. But I hope you liked this video, and please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!